Enti anapana na mbram video na mekyerɛ mu sɛ Kumasi Adum PZ blue light honom no eja atɔ hɔ ama eja na tre na hye mu ama over 500 plus stores there ahye ama hello if my under despite media also come despite the radio station wo Kumasi no so eja no ekwa no. This incident no His Excellency John Dwayne Mahama and the Ashanti regional minister abana akopie hɔ no akokonsole adwadifo a omo ejapade assess na omo asa ahye mu bo ana fe so fire service for so abedin komo abetire mu dienti a eja no estate na ekoba ne se ya etimi aginsemu aha Penyah block media message say any dey mo obe like video no ada ma obo subscribe button na be click notification and connect latest update na be kire wadwen dey ama me e wo comment section message say oba so a no wa share video na ma onu aso enya bi ahwe eti anopem around base 6 and I say Adum PZ today eja to hon mu bru
you know, I need it. I put a baby in you. Oh, you're in time. I for sure. Why are you in time?
Ejane Shea Mana Enyasim Kuma Hello FM and Despite Media Ejano spread call honomo. According to eyewitness, Ejane started blue light on most stop people at the end of the day no over 500 plus stores there. Ashe condemn. Na man for LA blame on fire service Oma Mantem Ombeno Omuninsuo and how come see Dum Jana and it wasn't encouraging any other day. Fire service for so Abeshi Omu view on this particular story.
The firefighting effort. So let's take a briefing from the Ghana National Fire Service to tell us about what is being done. Okay, so the regional fire commander is here. Commander, you are welcome to Channel 1 TV.
Thank you very much.
What are we seeing now? What is the plan for you now?
Yes, as you know, we're called as 0605 hours here. And when they came on board, they saw fire on the third floor. Yeah, apparently the fire started from behind the building. Yes, and accessibility was a problem. Yes, so they started tackling the fire. They called 4 other pumps. So that is 5 pumps. Then the army one came. Later 2 tankers also came to support. So the fire is so complex. The fire, the combustibles are made up of different cargoes. You meet somebody in a store who sells different items. Yes. So that made the fire very complex. We try our best. You know, the frontage, the first building on the front has been extinguished now or under control. We are left with behind. Our tenants are behind there. Accessibility is a problem. The turntable ladder is there to fight from the roof. But they got there and there was no accessibility. Firemen have tried hard this morning to bring the fire under control. Yes. And we are still on the ground working. Yes.
Well, accessibility has always been the challenge. What has been that discussion with city authorities in terms of getting access to some of these places? Because this is not the first time we are seeing a fire and fire officers are complaining about that.
It's something we talk always. We make our recommendations. So they are aware. I quite remember we came to KJTR with the regional minister. He gave an order that people should move from pavement. Yes, the order has always been given. Fire service is not the one to go and create accessibility, but the authority concerned must do that because we always talk about it. Yes.
So what's the plan now?
To extinguish the fire.
Yes.
Yes. You can see the fire tenants fighting. Do you get me? Yes. Fortunately, we've gotten a hydrant very close, so we connected direct to fight it. Yes, so that is what we are doing now. Yes.
But there are concerns. Some were also trying to blame your officers of not being proactive in preventing the spread of the fire.
we spread we confined the fire. The fire, you know, as I told you, the fire started from behind. It is not from the frontage. It started, so a lot of burning has started from behind the building. Yes, so as you try to fight it, not knowing the fire has spread already. Yes, the fire has spread all angles because it didn't start from the frontage for you to see. Yes, so firemen have done very well. Done very well. Yes.
Do you know of any casualty? Do you know of something like that?
Pardon?
Any casualty?
No. We don't have any casualty. We don't have any casualty. Yes.
So that's a press briefing by the Ghana National Fire Service, the regional commander.
Now, His Excellency John Dwayne Mahama, man of the moment, President for the Fourth Republic of Ghana, under the 9th Parliament, only the Ashanti Regional Minister, Ako PMO Ewo Kumat Adum market hall na omo akọ share adwarifonim crime bakọ mo ma teaching nsem ana omo asade nsem de bi ato omo ni mu. As a who in a Jerifon who Mahama, I say, Mahama appearance call Honmono, and no cry enough for them. Alumania to Mahama Honum or the Asempa Nabo, 24-hour economy. Yes, Mahama appearance cry or Honmono, and I think as Ashanti Regional Minister, this new Ashanti Regional Minister, we know. To me, no say or one home. Yes, he knows how to respond very quick to problem. The back I say Amara Shako a video be about a coin beer that bridge be that river offense or offense so I think say constituency ba could be musa offense soon patomo be bisa. Obey that particular video the next day early in the morning and this Ashanti Regional Minister Ekupi Honmo as I'm speaking to you now bridge no omuguso omoye adwuma omo eguso ye bridge na say I think say you know or born how to true name is or born home day ni say Ghana be ye entina nyina no ye wa ha no ye pe man konkron Ghana enko so nye say party bi betina power entina ye pe no ba say Ghana be ko nanim it is obi ba na o ya de pa ye beka o ye bonne so a sana ye beka it is obi abon na ye kan e ya monte ase kakra ore ase ai Penyah blog media